back to the Auto Care Review, where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicles from around the world. Today, we're looking at something truly futuristic, the all-new 2025 Renault Computer. This bike isn't just a ride, it's a technological revolution on two wheels. Renault has redefined the way we think about motorcycles, merging artificial intelligence, advanced aerodynamics, and sustainable performance into one groundbreaking machine. Right from the first look, the 2025 Renault Computer stuns with its cyber-inspired design. Sleek, futuristic lines combined with a lightweight carbon fiber frame give it a bold, aggressive stance. The integrated LED matrix lighting system not only enhances visibility but adds a signature look that makes this bike unmistakable on the road. Renault has engineered it with an aerodynamic shell that reduces drag and improves efficiency, ensuring a smooth yet thrilling ride. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the fairings, sits an electric powertrain that pushes the boundaries of performance. With an advanced lithium-silicon battery pack, the Renault Computer delivers instant torque, propelling riders from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3 seconds. The high-efficiency motor ensures a top speed that competes with some of the fastest electric motorcycles on the market. And the best part? The bike supports ultra-fast charging, meaning you can go from 10% to 80% battery in just 20 minutes. But what truly sets the 2025 Renault Computer apart is its smart AI system. This bike learns from your riding style, adjusting power delivery, suspension settings, and even predicting road conditions using real-time data. It features an advanced heads-up display with augmented reality navigation, keeping critical information in your field of view without distractions. Voice commands allow you to control essential functions, making the riding experience more intuitive than ever. Renault has also placed a strong emphasis on safety, integrating adaptive cruise control, collision detection, and self-balancing technology for enhanced stability. The AI-assisted braking system ensures precise stopping power, adapting to different road surfaces and weather conditions. Whether you're cruising through city streets or pushing the limits on the highway, the Renault Computer ensures a confident and secure ride. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The ergonomic seat design and adaptive suspension make long rides enjoyable, while the smart connectivity features allow riders to sync their smartphones for music, calls, and navigation seamlessly. With a fully digital interface, this bike feels more like a high-tech gadget than a traditional motorcycle. Now, let's talk about customization. Renault is offering multiple riding modes, allowing users to switch between eco, sport, and hyper modes depending on their mood and road conditions. The onboard AI even suggests optimal settings based on real-time riding data. And for those who want to personalize their ride, there are customizable lighting options and dynamic color-changing panels that adjust to different environments. Renault is making a bold statement with the 2025 Computer, proving that the future of motorcycling is here. It's not just about speed or power, it's about intelligence, sustainability, and an experience that adapts to the rider. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a tech enthusiast, this bike is designed to impress. So, what do you think about the all-new 2025 Renault Computer? Is this the future of motorcycles? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Auto Care Review for more in-depth looks at the latest in automotive innovation. Stay tuned for more, and as always, ride smart and stay safe. See you in the next one.